Wow, this is the zoo I get to take care of starting today. But I have to make the animal sounds myself. That's a little weird. But it does sound kind of fun. Oh, okay. I got a duck. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. This is gonna be really good, or really bad, or really bad. Yo, Booba. Okay. Booba! Booba! That's so loud. Booba! Wait. Booba! Booba! Okay. Okay, what are we calling this lovely specimen? You gonna say the thing? Booba! Oh god, is it Melania? Booba! Well, that's my contribution for the stream. Good night. Bye, show. Booba! Oh no, it's a sheep. It's a fucking sheep. A fucking sheep. I'll think one. I'll think of a thing. Bay. 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 Wait. I got even better. Bitch, I'm a fucking sheep. Bitch, I'm a fucking sheep. I gave it that. Bitch, I'm a fucking sheep. Oh, what am I gonna do for a goat? Why'd you look so derpy? Okay, what's the derpiest sound I can make? Because this goat looks derpy AF. Oh god, what have I done? Wait, what if I made this goat really British? Fancy it? Oh wait. Fuck, I messed up. Hold on. Fancy a trip down to the pub, mate? Fancy a trip down to the pub, mate? British goat. Say it.
Fancy a trip down to the pub, mate?
You're going over here.
Fancy a trip down to the pub, mate?
What does the fox say? What does the fox say, Yonkles?
Ding 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 ding.
Oh, okay. I'm keeping like the 0.5 seconds and me giggling at the end. I'm keeping that.
Fancy a trip down to the pub, mate?
Yes. Do it.
Ding 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 ding. Fancy a trip down to the pub, mate?
I just like in the last 5 seconds I go, oh, my laughing.
Fancy a trip down to the pub, mate?
What is this? Oh, I'm going to enjoy this. Nut! Okay, that's better. What was that? Which animal was that? Okay, Pingu. Nut. Oh. What a mood. Oh, hi, duck!
Oh.
Oh, a polar bear?
Give me a fish, you fucking bitch! Give me a fish, you fucking bitch! Oh, ah. Oh, ah.
There we go. Hop Kitty's now in the game. You're welcome. Oh, reindeer. A reindeer.
I don't get enough carrots for this job. I don't get enough carrots for this job.
Wait. Santa's dead, and I'm not sorry for that. Santa's dead, and I'm not sorry for that. Oops. Santa's dead, and I'm not sorry for that. A parrot.
Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck, 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 shit, 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 shit. Fuck, 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 shit, 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 shit. Fuck, 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 shit, 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 shit.
Thank you. Oh, I've got the perfect voice for you. The British goat.
Yas, queen, slay. Yas, queen, slay.
Majestic.
Mate. Yas, queen, slay.
Oh my god, the
Fancy a
wait.
trip down to the pub.
Wait, the five sentences together?
Yas, queen, slay. Fancy a trip down to the pub, mate. Yas, queen, slay. Fancy a trip down to the pub. Ding, 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 ding,
Oh, for God, I did you! Forgot you!
ding, 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 ding. Hoot, hoot,
Oh, wait!
motherfucker.
I can hear you from over here!
Yas, queen, slay. Hoot, hoot, motherfucker.
Sorry, right.
America! Fuck yeah! America! Fuck yeah!
Taste my fucking freedom. Taste my fucking freedom. I'm gonna shit all over your car. Deal with it. I'm gonna shit all over your car. Deal with it.
America! Fuck yeah! America! Fuck yeah!
I'm keeping it.
Hoot, hoot, motherfucker.
Oh my god, the fucking owl!
Hoot, hoot, motherfucker.
Fuck, 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 shit, shit, shit,
Fuck
shit, shit.
yeah.
Belly!
Motherfucker.
Belly just
Fuck,
slapped
fuck,
me!
fuck,
Shit, shit, shit,
Fuck
shit, shit,
yeah. Hoot, hoot.
A lion! A big push push.
Right. Right.
Oh god, what have I done? I'm keeping it. King with a winky face.
Yeah.
There you go.
Right.
A rhino? Let me see what the animation he does. Why does it look like he's constipated when he does? Why does it look like he's constipated when he does that? Oh, I've got the perfect thing for someone who does go through constipation. Right. I got the perfect thing. I need a shake. Give me some laxatives quick, please. Thanks. Thank you. Hold on. I need a shake. Give me some laxatives quick, please. There we go. This is constipate. No. We're not gonna call him based off an illness. This is Liam. Liam is constipated.
Oh.
I need a shake. Give me some laxatives quick, please. Oh, I got the perfect name for you. Ah! Address me. Address me, you fucking simp. Address me, you fucking simp. Oh, wait, I got a better one. Give me some peanuts, you bitch. 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 Okay. Alright, do your thing. Oh, it's a bear. Oh wait, I got it. This is Metal Bear. He does death growls.
Fancy a trip down to the pub?
Oh my! I can't wait to hear this.
Mate.
Oh, it's another puss. A tiger.
Puss. Puss. This is Push. Puss.
Ugh. Yes. I can do many things with my voice, and this is one of them. Do you think? The final guest? Huh? I am the Dragon Warrior. Okay, I've got one. Hi. Meep. Meep. This is me.
Fancy a trip down
Oh
to
god,
the pub?
it's with all these assholes. Oh, no. You're getting moved to a better area.
Down to the pub, mate.
Go on, bud. Yeah. Look, you're gonna be with Ugg.
Meep.
Oh, no. Oh god, what am I gonna do for this guy? They barely speak, for one thing, and they're very slow. Hey. Oh, it's a frog! Ribbit, bitch! Oh, so low. Ribbit, bitch! Oh, so so low. My vocals never got that low before. Wait. Let's do a normal. Let's do a cute voice. Hold on. Let's see if I can. Oh, mascot's here, guys. Let's see if we can get my mascot, Tiny Kitty, to do a voice for the frog. Yeah. So in press record, you're gonna say your voice.
Ribbit.
You wanna do another one? Okay, she wants to do another one.
Ribbit.
Okay, this is Ribbit. There we go. Tiny Kitty's done a voice.
Trip down to
Ball. Ball, 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 ball.
Ball, 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 ball. Ball, 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 ball.
What's a good dog name? Spot. Spot. Spot likes balls.
Ball, 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 ball.
Puss, puss. A puss, puss. A puss, puss. It's a kitty. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. So cute. My baby. Meow.
Shit, give me some likes of this quick, please.
Oh my god. I am the father of 13 kids. Fuck you. Metal Bunny! Metal Bunny! Okay.
I'm not sorry for that.
What was that? Metal Bunny.
Ball?
What do I do for a turtle?
Yeah, man, I'm so high. Yeah, man, I'm so high. Yeah, man, I'm so high. Yeah, man, I'm so high.
Oh, no, not calling it X. Push. Push. Uma musume! Uma musume! Uma poi! Uma poi! Uma poi! Uma pioi! Uma pioi!
Mayana tapakan! Mayana tapakan! Uma pioi! Uma pioi! Uma pioi! Uma pioi! Umama musume! Pretty Dobby! Umama musume! Pretty Dobby! 今日はラッキーなボーナスはいはいはい、おでGara! Mommy's here. Mommy's here. Milk me, mommy. Milk me, mommy.
Right there.
Good motherfucker.
Go there.
Milk me, mommy.
I am never doing that again. That is the worst thing I've ever done in my life. It's right next to the hoot. There's named I see you.
You got any nuts I can shove in my fucking cheeks? You got any nuts I can shove in my fucking cheeks? Nut, 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 nut. Nut, 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 nut. Give me some nuts, please! Give me some nuts, please!
Okay, keep it that one because of me like just like laughing right at the end. What am I calling him?
Give me some nuts, baby!
That is the worst thing I've made. That is the worst thing I've made in my life and I regret it. A snail. How interesting. What the why is this an option? I'm very confused.
I'm fast as fuck, boy! 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 I'm fast as fuck, boy!
This is fast.
Ding ding Ribbit, give me some nuts, babies!
Hello? What? Come here, nuts!
Ding ding Ribbit,
Come
give me
here,
some
nuts.
nuts, please!
in here. I'm interested. Go on. Yeah, I've just created Satan. We're gonna get the metal bunny in here too. For these guys in here. Come on. Do your worst. Yeah, I've created the spawn of Satan. Let's get these guys out of here.
Bunny.